What's going on? Okay.
Hey, buddy.
Look at the crib though, eh?
Come on now.
Yo, I like what you done with the place, bro.
MC Chris, bro. Come on now.
Yo, show me the setup. Show me the setup. Show me the setup.
Follow. This way. Let's go. Turn on the lights. Don't mind the little. We're gonna look FIFA game, you know what I mean? Just.
Jeez.
Some light, you know what I mean? Don't mind it. Don't mind the clothes, you know.
Yo. Seriously though. What?
Yo, potty.
What?
Yeah, you know what I mean? Yo,
what?
Let's just. Yo, the camera's over there, you know. Just look on.
Oh.
Okay, yo, let's not go too far from here. Oh, he's beating that shit right now. Yeah, look at it. Come on now.
Danny, bro.
Chill.
Welcome to the vlog, bro.
Wake up.
Is it like
my boxers? My boxers.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, eh?
He got sucked to his old ass.
He's 19, right?
Yeah. He's old enough.
He's old enough?
Yeah.
Alright, so yo, it's not illegal, bro.
Pause, bro.
Are you blessed, bro?
Yes, sir.
Yo, get your ass up, bro. It's like fucking 7 o'clock.
Say what's up to the Papa Dukes.
Yeah, where's Pedro, bro?
Pedro, where are you? Look at that guy.
Jeez. Look at, you're gonna be in the first vlog, eh? How do you feel? All right.
Good man, feel good.
Yo, don't we love staying home on Tuesdays? Be honest.
Yeah. No.
A few inches later.
Good morning, sunshine.
Bruh,
So,
it is literally 7 p.m., bruh.
Yeah.
wake your ass up, buddy.
Yo, let me tell you guys something.
Oh. Wake your ass up, boy.
Show everyone your Blika.
This is what, vlog day one?
This is vlog day 1, baby.
Day one, minute one?
This is like minute 5, maybe?
Yeah. Give it a take.
Should have brought my fucking light, though. I thought you would have been up.
There you go.
Jeez.
That looks like you fought war, buddy. War at its finest.
My guy went through hell. What'd you do last night, bro?
Nice. What's up, boys?
Yo, no cap though, boys. We gotta get shit moving because, bro, we're burning daylight. So tump your vape, stroke your. We gotta go, bro.
Bro, I'm sweating.
We got plans today, baby. We got plans.
12:45.
You know what I'm saying?
And by the time you realize, we sleeping.
You know what I'm saying?
So, chop chop, boy.
Chop chop. Let's go. Best Buy.
What is this thing?
Yo, Kevin, so what are we doing today, boy?
We were supposed to go to fucking Best Buy, but I feel like we're gonna go to jail.
Yo, let's do something to Kev. You know what I'm thinking of?
What?
I'm thinking of running up.
I'm trying to run a train, bro. How do you feel?
Bro, I'm gonna get got. Like, what are you talking about? That's crazy, bro. What's wrong with this guy?
Oh, yeah.
Can't we just be normal?
Yo, say what's up to the channel. Go. Try to get train.
You guys are so fun, bro. Yeah, but I cut it out. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it is what it is.
Yo,
Okay,
this guy's got that thing on.
This is the game plan. We're gonna go to Best Buy because I gotta buy a couple shit. There's literally.
Yo, there's the feds.
Oh, and these are illegal.
Guys, welcome to Toronto Cops. We're in the trenches right now.
And there's a Novada in the fucking trenches.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, I'm still confused as to why the fuck you brought that. Yo, cop right there. Don't even blow that shit. Yo, bro. God,
It's your
damn.
license, not mine.
Exactly, you
Exactly,
fucking
bro. It's not my license. It's
bro.
fine.
I don't even know.
Yo, shut the up, man. Love you, Kevin.
Now, I mean, I know what sound I'm using to bleep out all the shit you
The horn?
That's crazy, bruh. Anyway, like I was saying, we're just trying to go to fucking Best Buy, alright? Best Buy, go look at shit, maybe cause a havoc. Hopefully not, because I'm trying to get arrested today, like I said, Justin.
He just looks like a bot.
What was all that? Respect?
Just saying thank you.
For what?
Yo, thanks, fam.
Oh, bro, I was about to vape in here. That's crazy. Okay, camera section, camera section, camera section, camera section, camera section, camera section. Bro, what I needed was the. Nope, nope. Bro, I need it for the fucking mic, bro.
What do you need? Yo, for $18 a month, you can get this camera. I don't know how many years that is, probably like 72, but sure.
Bro, what is this guy doing, bro? What are you doing, bro?
I need a new chair. Relax.
Why do you want a new chair for, bro?
He's giving an honest
This guy's trying to take a nap.
So I can feel, because the angle of my back, that this is approximately 128 degrees. Let's fact check it. You're gonna have somebody break down the video and fucking. What's that guy from TikTok?
Yo, didn't fucking Thing need a new monitor?
Who?
Steven?
Steven? I don't fucking know.
Like, I swear he wanted a fucking, like a 32-inch or some shit. That's what I just said, bro. No.
165.
I wonder if they have fucking GPUs here, bro. Imagine they have a 5090 just hiding. Like,
They have it playing their fucking radio graphics.
Bro, they don't have shit here, but where's the Action 5 or whatever
Right
you
here.
wanted? Ah.
They have the mic too.
Crazy gaming headset right here. Bang. $40. Doesn't
Yo.
cover half your ears.
Yo,
Bro, I'm
I'm
flabbergasted
trying to have
right
a
now.
gripping storytelling.
Oh, okay.
I'm actually like, I'm looking at you as if like you're saying something interesting, like you're being legit. And then this is the horse shit I get, bro.
Bro, this is the thing.
The flip-up screen is sick if you're trying, but the other one has a screen in the front, bro.
It has 2 touchscreens.
Yeah, but the screen in the front.
I feel like this is just another thing for me to break.
Knowing you, bro, this guy.
You'd be getting so smashed trying to chase me.
Right?
Thinking he has 99 pace. Okay, my bad, Mbappe. Let me see that feet work. Oh, shit, bro.
Yo, don't watch the kicks, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, how much does your fit cost?
Yo,
Fit check,
$4.
Fit check?
We got the Aritzia, we got that thing. Oh!
Okay, what are those? Off-White Air Force One?
We got the F1, huh?
Yo, you got it.
Yo, how much does your outfit cost?
Like $3.50.
$3.50.
Yeah.
You got the DH Geek special. DH Geek on fleek. He's not a DJ, but if you look at his YouTube channel, he got DJ mixes.
Hello, GJ.
I don't DJ, bro. I'm an entertainer. It's different.
Oh, okay, my bad.
Okay, so am I. Come to House of Lancaster, 2nd floor.
Like, where are you going with that style, though? That's the real question. Your girl didn't ask you questions?
What girl's at work?
That's
Mind
the
you,
real
actually,
woman.
my girl, she was like, where did you go today? And I was like, don't watch that. Watch the vlog, baby.
Yeah, boy.
I'm $5
my
worth.
lens is dirty.
Yeah, clean it up. Good boy. There you go.
Oh my God!
So what are we doing next?
Gotta pick up Mary.
Okay.
That should be interesting.
The,
'Cause
the vlog doesn't know who Mary is yet.
she doesn't want to be on camera.
Oh, that sucks. Like she's gonna be caught on 4K. Like I'm gonna be behind her while she's walking with the camera straight to her face and be like, "Yo, Mary, look behind you."
You can't say that we're gonna do that. Just do it. You know what
Yeah,
I mean?
but
Like,
she won't even know though. That's the thing. Like she's, bro, come on.
no cap though. We gotta pick up Mary. I'm
Yep.
fucking hungry,
Starving.
obviously.
Yo,
And on top of that, I want to
you
go to
almost
Best Buy.
you almost just got shitted on by a bird, bro. I swear to God, you almost got shit
you're
on,
lying, bro.
Yo, I just seen something drop. I don't know if that was water. I think it was water, bro. But I don't know, bro.
Nonetheless,
What are you planning on eating today?
turn the camera off and I'll tell you.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
One eternity later.
Wait, we have to.
Mary!
Other side.
Mary! Mary! Yo, take the front seat. Yo, take the front seat.
Okay, can you stop?
So campião melão, cara.
You can get on Dodge. Yo, Mary, how much is your fit worth? Yo, Kevy? Where's Pookie? He's here to meet a 15-year-old child. He's here to meet a 15-year-old child.
That's crazy, bro. That's don't even.
Bro, why are you walking zesty for, bro?
GTA stripper.
$4.
Oh my.
Mary. 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 Can you go to a guy and show him your riz? Yo, who did your hair?
You know.
Your hair looks good. You want to shout out the girl that does your hair?
873.
Alright, bro.
Did you see the vid I sent you, Kev? The guy fucking around with
Yo, let me doing gang signs, bro.
I'm not doing it. I'm doing peace signs. Good. How you doing, boss?
Okay. Oh, you kind of.
Oh, okay. No, because your name's Mary and like
You're bloody.
bloody.
My name's not Mary.
Yes, it is. Miriam.
It kind of is.
Miriam.
It's stuck.
That's yo. We're baptizing her by Miriam.
Mariana.
Are we going to an
Don't even
arcade?
say it like that.
Are we going to
Mariana.
are we going to an arcade today?
Arcade or play. I'm down for some pool,
Yo,
bro.
go-karting POV would be crazy with the new cameras.
I don't have my.
Bro, one wrong turn, this camera's flying out of my hand.
I have my 360.
What?
Oh wait, you
that?
have your 360. What am I talking
Still
about?
blower.
Oh fuck.
I actually think it's
No,
like
that's the water.
That's the water.
a water main. That's fucking.
That's what Nuno looks like after he sees me.
No,
No, that's what you look like after you see me.
Like that's what Nuno
And
looks
on
like
your-
after he sees you,
and
but
on
that's
your-
what you look like after you get on the casting couch for 20 minutes.
On your period, it's bloody.
That's disgusting, bro.
Yo, I do like red gushers though.
That's.
Yo,
Oh my god, look at the fucking floor. What's going on?
my pussy.
Hey, yo.
This would be a flood central over here.
Oh, this is. I already know I have to salt this.
Car wash.
Gabe's gonna call you. Come to work.
These cars
God.
are getting flooded.
Wow, guys, we're.
The Fiat.
Oh, late.
Yo, guys, I told you it was a sunny day. We gotta go to the
Where's the
beach.
horn?
Oh my
Stop.
god.
No. Yo, leave that.
They have to
Out the
evacuate.
window.
They have to evacuate, bro. Open the window before I start blowing it until you open it.
He's gonna pass out
$4.
I'm gonna pass out before I open this window. I'll tell you right now.
Just open the door.
That's not a hand, bro.
I'll give this thing a hand job.
Don't fuck with the windows right now.
No, don't touch my Windex.
Out of pocket, you two,
Yo, the
bro.
camera turns on, my brain cells turn off.
Do you even have brain cells?
Yeah, I do. There's two of them. They're fighting for third place, and they're both winning fourth.
They're both in 4th place.
Yeah. Okay,
And
I know what we're doing today.
Well, we gonna.
Colombia.
We're booking a motherfucking trip.
Yes.
Colombia.
Colombia, papi!
You got money to book a trip right now? I'm broke.
Yo, you got trip money?
Nah.
We have a trip at home. I'll just decorate the fucking apartment.
Bro, I'll trip over my own steps.
I'll bring 2 hookers, one of them with no teeth. For whoever has a preference.
The no teeth is really spiked my.
Yeah, exactly. And then I'll throw sand all over the floor.
Oh my god.
My.
And we even have a stray cat.
Bro, do you have those UV lights that you used before to like when you used to grow weed illegally?
No comment.
What's wrong with you, bro?
Mancy.
Huh?
Nancy?
Who's Nancy?
That's crazy. She's really handy right now.
Oh.
Fuck, no can keep your auntie hands busy. Because he's got ants in his pants.
I got ants in my pants.
No, they're just crabs, but it's fine.
Yo, I already told you.
Yo,
So what are we eating though? That's the real question. Instead of figuring out what we're gonna do today, okay, that's for. I
Shawarma.
already said that's dessert. We're eating shawarma.
What do you want? The
honestly,
fuck?
if
What
you're
can't
cooking,
I cook?
I want like something that you just open out of a can. So like, you know, 'cause, like.
That's a quick meal.
You can have tuna and I just take off my underwear. Tuna with cheese.
Bro, that's
Cheese
crazy,
puffs.
bro. I didn't want no fucking cheesy Skittles today, bro.
There's no Skittles. That would be sweet. There's nothing sweet about this, baby. It's salty. This is unusable.
Unusable.
As soon as we picked up,
Here, we're trying to watch whatever you're watching.
fucking bad. So pretty much, yo,
Mary doesn't want to be on camera. Like, what?
Kev.
What?
What?
Like, you have to
What?
understand. You're gonna be on camera today. That's how it goes.
Oh my god, my.
You know
Oh,
what?
you think that's
really
hot?
nice right now? Opening a fucking window.
Thank God. Oh, here it goes.
Yo, there's even a horn holder. Why are we not supposed to have a horn in the truck when there's a horn holder? Mary, don't fucking touch. Oh,
Here she goes. She's gonna start blowing.
you're making Nuno horny.
Oh my god, this is warm.
You're making Nuno horny.
Never
That's
mind.
not spit, that's humidity.
That's humidity.
Blow into your asshole and there's condensation in it. Fucking blow the fucking thing.
No.
You're not, so you don't even want to make Nuno horny anymore. Okay, nice. I feel like.
All right, you've been recording this whole time, bro.
Yo,
Like,
the back seat of
Yeah, I
this
have.
fucking truck felt like a big underboob. It's hot as fuck and moist.
listen, motherfuckers. Right now, I'm starting to get hangry.
Well,
And so maybe I can change from
I
these
need
black clothes into other black clothes.
all I know is I need
Black's
some
my
meat.
favorite color.
I need some meat in my fucking mouth.
Bro, I need some fucking
No, pull down your
cheese.
pants for him.
Shut the fuck. That's your job. Then you're gonna be unemployed.
insurance.
I can't even speak.
You have oatmeal.
Yeah. I have OOCD.
I have OOTD. Outfit of the day. I have that one where the nothing can be nowhere. I have OOTD. Fuck Mary, my brain cells were already lacking and now it's just getting worse.
A few moments later.
I'm the fastest man alive.
What are you doing?
Flash.
Hold on. Let me do
I'm the fastest man
Let
alive.
me do the lightning bolt.
Ka-chow.
The lightning bolt.
You guys didn't see it?
Yo, look at this.
Can you look a
lightning-
little bit to the...
Yo, you are fast, bro.
Bro, I just fingered your ass and came back. You didn't even realize.
That's why I feel so fucking like
why you're
satisfied.
I feel lubed.
I feel so satisfied.
I feel so lubed.
Oh, that's because I licked it. Wait, are you expecting something from me? If you pay for my bill?
Yeah.
I'm literally 12.
Expecting
And
you to
you want
drop
me to
those
pay?
pants.
Yo, did you hear that? She asked it for it.
Wait, yo, I just dropped my.
Stop it. Get some help.
Já viste browsers? Não sabes nada desta merda.
Isso é meio brasa de brasers.
Veste da madeira com uma bicicleta. You said no. Is it beside him? Here, Mary. Abra a boca, grão.
Not that one.
You're just dead now. Abra a boca.
Aw, you guys are so sweet. Uh-oh.
Can I have some more?
What do I say?
Uh-oh. Bro, legit? Answer it. FaceTimer.
Who's that?
All right, lol.
Who?
My girlfriend.
Oh.
She was at
Hi.
work, bro.
I was just wondering. A meeting. Goodbye.
Is she mad?
Well,
She has both her locations.
I
Oh, there's more. There's more, guys. Hold on.
Jesus.
Another, yeah.
More?
Oh yeah. I did get. Yeah. What is that?
I don't know what this
Oh my
Teriyaki
God.
soup?
is. This is the pho.
Yeah.
The pho.
The fuck? I don't know what that sauce is, bro.
It's
Oh yeah.
There's no fucking way you just. Don't forget the hummin.
no joke.
Yo, did you see what he did before he put it in his mouth? Put it in his spicy meal.
Yo, that shit was gas.
Yo, you're not.
This is gas.
That is gross, bro.
Yo, just go.
I'm kidding.
Yo, what are you?
I have to finish this.
That would taste good with shrimp.
I ate everything that I ordered.
Did you though? Did you though?
We get it, you're a skinny queen and whatever, but you need to
Did you eat it all?
eating.
Did you really eat it all? Where's your shmee? Yeah, right. You ate it all. My ass.
What ass?
Yo,
Thank you.
you're sucking on my straw now.
Yum.
Bro, you're so out of pocket. It's
Why is
crazy.
gay butt sex so frowned upon?
Gabe?
Yeah, gay butt sex. Why is gay butt sex so
What are
frowned
you
upon?
doing? You struggling over there?
I don't know. I'm about to let you eat the paper.
Yeah.
You sick fuck. You're like a dog who's waiting for a treat.
Stop.
Bro, this guy's eyeing that ice cream like it's his leg.
It's like siblings fighting. You know what we can do? Just drop me off at home, then I'll drive my way up to Noodles.
Why the fuck would we, when she lives down there too? Why the fuck would we separate?
He was just asking.
Okay, but I have to go to your fucking church and
He just doesn't want you to leave him.
You know, stay your ass at home because you need to drain my fridge.
Oh, you don't know, because then we
Nah.
could drink and play COD.
Yeah, no.
I'll do it alone then.
Okay, I'm joining you.
15 pounds.
If you want to see what 4 fat, big rounded belly motherfuckers look like, it's right there, bro. Let's see these fucking fat asses.
Bro, I'm actually a fat bitch. My large sweater is fitting like a medium right now.
Yo, mine says.
Look, I have Mary's backside on my front side. Look at that was
This
crazy.
guy, bro.
Function over. Where's my fortune? Take your fucking fucking bag.
My lashes, you fucking moron.
Grab her asshole.
Ow.
Spit down her throat. Yo,
No
my
balls.
camera.
No balls.
Where's my paper? My fortune paper.
It's in her ass. Grab it.
You actually hurt me.
Yo, that shit got stuck into me.
Yo. I'm recording, bro.
Yo, you got that.
I actually caught that shit. I'm not gonna lie.
My Michael
Give me a
Jackson.
hug.
Yeah, for sure, bud. Look.
It's because she knows your heart.
Hold this. She's gonna fucking.
Give me a hug.
Yeah, I got you.
Kayla's asking if
You
you want
squeeze
wrap
so hard.
Don't. I'm not even gonna comment.
What you doing to my plant, bro?
It's more sweet, so yeah, Saturday.
Damn, Daniel. Guy's out of pocket, eh?
Okay, yeah, that's on me. Yo, Mary,
Yeah. Jeez, bro.
you got the Brazilian fucking. Yo, those shits are expensive.
Don't ever do this to me again.
I swear to God, can move.
We're interviewing
What are you hiding? Yo, come on, Donge. Come on. Is the mic working? The mic's working? Yo, Van Donge over here. Face farts. Yo, how does it feel to play Fortnite in 2026?
Honestly, good. Fortnite is an amazing game.
No,
Fortnite,
but like this is gonna be for like
Fortnite
next
is
year.
an amazing game.
We're making next year's, video ready.
Fortnite is
still
an
gonna be
amazing
rocking,
game, lads.
Face Jarvis. Face Jarvis.
My job's to hold the camera.
Yeah.
Face Donches. Oh hell no.
Oh no, yo. See, wasn't he just saying about the neighbor, this and that, whatever, waking up from the.
There's always trains going by here.
Anyways, Mary, come here, Mary. Yo, Mary, come here, bro. Like, how do you want guys to pay for your lunch and you can't even come here? Come here, Justin. Okay, that's enough with you. This guy here, I can't stand it. Just hearing him like.
We're here with Apataka channel.
Shendaj, Kasatganga. Bro. No, Saint Daj. You gotta go Saint Daj.
Bro, where are you going? No.
Find so many people.
No. This is practice for 2 nights. Imagine this
Practice?
motherfucker. Yeah, imagine this guy.
Yo,
Need practice.
hey, how's it going, bro?
I feel
How do you feel about 2 nights? Yo, be for real. How many girls have you took from 2 nights home? Quad.
No.
Bro, I want to interview the dog.
Nuno,
Yo.
tell me something. I think everyone who goes to 2 nights wants to know one thing and one thing only. Because you're definitely around. Everyone sees you.
Yeah, I'm around town. You know what I mean? I'm around town.
Everyone sees Nuno, but the question is, why does the shirt always come off?
But anyways, when you go to LCBO, right? They're sealed, correct?
Yes.
How the fuck are you gonna drink them?
I hope the shirt always comes off because it makes sense. This is. I have a question.
Yo.
Okay. This is the last question I'm gonna ask you.
Okay.
When you go to 2 nights, what is the highlight of the night?
Kevin getting blackout drunk and still throwing out bangers. Come on now.
Yo, you're not supposed to tell them that I get blacked out drunk.
No. I mean, when I get blackout drunk and Kevin throws out bangers. Yeah, there you go. Sorry.
What's the best part of the night on 2 nights?
The 1 a.m. set. Oh, baby.
When 1 a.m. hits, it's game over.
Because we're in the trenches.
Aratata.
And it ain't Justin's ass. You heard it?
I'm telling you, he hasn't gone down there.
This is Kevin Rites on the Rites.
Blackout drunk, face planted.
I think the one thing I've seen everyone do at 2 nights is blackout drunk and
I
fucking
never
just.
blacked out.
I never blacked out.
Motherfucker, you've left at like 1.
Okay, that's Jonathan's fault. Mm-hmm. AKA Jonathan will be on one of the videos. I promise you guys. You guys watch out. He's gonna start yapping and spitting.
Not for nothing, but this is all just for fun.
Yeah.
We will be doing an interview at 2 nights with Nuno. He's going to be going around town. And you've heard it here first, folks. Fun ain't over. We're signing out. Peace on the streets.
Cameras.
Grab my schnob, buddy, next time you do that shit.